Nina ngicabanga ukuthi ukuba iChristian ukugqoka irock nebrook netie bese uthi sengisindisiwe. It's deep than meet the eye. It's the life. You're going to be tested. You like it or not, you're going to be tested. And guess what? It moves with pain. You're going to be pained the pain. There's no escape. Zanzodala. Justice. You know, church used to be church the way I do it. Justice may be delayed. Justice may what? Abantu abaningi abakhali la. May be delayed or denied. What is that? Justice. Or distorted. Or distorted. But there must never come a time. But it never what? Justice may be delayed. You understand what's delayed? Or denied. Justice. Or distorted. But it never disappears. What is justice? You know what is justice? When the Bible says respect the law, and you respect it, that is justice. When the Bible says respect the law, and you don't respect it, before God you are killed. Yes. Did you know that? Yes. Did you know who you are now? And it's written in the Bible, and it's written even in the law of South Africa, and you don't abide by that. You know you are guilty before God. Yeah, the Bible says respect the law of the world. We should like with respect. Now I respect the law before God you are guilty. I don't say it, it's the Bible. Ambano no funi Bible. Lithi Bible hloniphani imithetho yasemhlabeni. Wena nawe ungahloniphi uyiChristian. You're wrong. Huh? You're surprised, nah? Yeah, it's in the Bible. It leaves, what leaves? The justice. What? It lives in those who refuse to become what they hate. Justice lives in those who refuse to become what they hate. It says here, justice lives in those who refuse to become what they hate. If you're not careful, the same thing that you hate, you'll become a person advertising it. What you hate the most, if you're not careful, what you hate, you'll end up being in market for it. That's why when you are justice, the Bantu who does not want to be part of corruption, justice lives in them. No matter how corrupt the law becomes, but within the people who love God, and let me tell you, when you're a child of God, justice must be in you. If you have no justice, then you have no business with Christ. Because justice lives in those who refuse to become what they hate. People become what they hate because of justice is not in them. Did you ever see a person the same person or who is Taoist to me? Did you see that? Or the told to doesn't and the tens I'm a prostitute to things him. Yazonda fungi born. Mara uvek sasa to huya or lala na baba bantu lala atalakon. La baba won't bamas lala. We opinion is yabantu. You see, they become what they hate because they're not careful. Be careful. Ai Coco, sing a te Coco.